Nestled in the southernmost reaches of South America, Argentina stretches from the sweltering subtropics of the north to the icy, windswept plains of Patagonia in the south. Bordered by the towering Andes Mountains to the west and the vast expanse of the Atlantic Ocean to the east, this country is a land of striking diversity and unspoiled natural beauty. The bustling metropolis of Buenos Aires dazzles with its European sophistication, vibrant street life, and a rhythm that pulses day and night. But beyond the capital, Argentina opens up into a patchwork of landscapes: rich pampas grasslands, lush vineyards in Mendoza, thundering waterfalls of Iguazu, and the remote glacier-filled wilderness of Tierra del Fuego. Such varied geography has profoundly shaped Argentina's culture and cuisine. At the center of its culinary tradition is the legendary asado, a social ritual and a feast of fire-grilled meats. Thick, juicy steaks, cooked simply over wood embers, are served alongside chimichurri, a zesty herb sauce, and enjoyed with copious glasses of Malbec red wine. Empanadas, golden-baked or fried turnovers stuffed with savory fillings like seasoned beef, spiced chicken, or regional cheeses. Grace tables from north to south. Argentina's Italian and Spanish heritage is also evident in its food. Rich, cheesy pastas, hearty milanesas, and indulgent pizzas have become staples. The influence of indigenous communities can be tasted in dishes like locro, a warming stew of corn, beans, meats, and spices, particularly savored during national celebrations. Sweet tooths flock to dulce de leche, a creamy caramel spread slathered on pastries or eaten by the spoonful. Whether savoring a mate in a quiet plaza or joining friends for a late-night parrillada, the flavors of Argentina tell the stories of its land, its people, and a passion for good living. Thanks for watching this video.